Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the prestigious second CAR PhD Awards. And today we gather to celebrate excellence, dedication, and innovation. And what makes these awards truly special is that every winner is chosen based on genuine customer ratings and honest reviews. The appreciation is real, the feedback is authentic, and the recognition is truly well-deserved. So let's come together and begin this inspiring celebration of the best, ladies and gentlemen. Let me call forward representatives from AXO and Global Assure. Are they here? Exo Nobel, yes, he's here. Also, it's time to call forward the man behind the entire scene, Mr. Anuj Goglani. Sir? Let's put our hands together to welcome all three of them. If you love cards, please, I want to hear it louder.
Okay, guilty as charged. We gave very short notice to the dealers and the OEMs for this award because we were waiting for the last few ratings also to come in to let it be as clear, accurate, genuine as possible. So notice come time ka tha, isliye not everybody could make it. So apologies for that. We want to be genuine because it's a genuine award. This perhaps is the only award in the country or perhaps the world which is based on customer rating and ranking. इसमें कोई jury नहीं है, इसमें कोई media नहीं है, इसमें कोई pressure नहीं है, इसमें कोई confusion नहीं है, इसमें कोई setting नहीं है बोले तो. This is purely from the customer. What the customer, he or she thinks about you as a brand and you as a dealership. Okay, it's reality check. कोई कुछ भी बोले, dealer friends, आपको OEM बोले, आप useless हो, बेकार हो, बोल देना मुझे कार PhD award मिला है. Voice of customer. Okay, कोई customer बोले तुम्हारी गाड़ी बेकार है, उसको बोलना मुझे कार PhD award मिला है. So मेरी गाड़ी में दम है. So let this be an enhancer for your self-esteem, if nothing else. जैसे ही पता चला dealership fraternity में कि कार PhD awards हो रहे हैं, a lot of dealerships, customer lounges, they started getting these kind of car PhD QR codes. Can you see? These are from customer lounges, service reception, and also the bill payment window. Car PhD QR codes have been put up there by the dealership people to capture the customer ratings and reviews directly from the dealership. And we are getting traffic of thousands and thousands of customers. In fact, in November last week, we got a traffic of 550,000, 0.5 million in just 1 week. We had in this video of BMW 5 Series, it had more than 7.5 million video views. और ये हमने figures घर पे नहीं छापे हैं, ये Google Analytics के हिसाब से है और ये Instagram में actual दिखता है 7.5 million. So that is the best part. You do something in a genuine way, transparent way, people always respond. All right, so with that, please, over to you, Deepti.
Thank you so much, Mr. Anuj. And here, ladies and gentlemen, as I told you that this is the most genuine customer rating and honest review award. And the appreciation is very real. Nothing is bought here, no money involved. So ladies and gentlemen, let's begin with the showrooms winners first. Pasco Golf Course Extension Road, Gurugram.
Okay, Pasco.
Yes, we have someone from Pasco.
We have Mr. Madan Lal, he's the Vice President at Pasco's. Let's have a round of applause for him.
Congratulations to you, sir. Next is another Pasco Automobiles, Alipur, Gurugram. न जाए स्टेज से कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं. We need to give him one more because he's bagging it for Alipur Gurugram again. Pasco Automobiles, Alipur Gurugram. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together one more time.
वो कह रहे हैं आपके नाम की एक वहाँ म्यूजिक एल्बम लॉन्च करेंगे पैस्कोज में.
बिल्कुल कर दीजिए.
QR कोड आउटलेट स्पेसिफिक है सर. ऐसा ना हो काम कोई अच्छा करे और रेटिंग किसी और की अच्छी हो जाए तो वो कर्मा साइकिल.
Next, let me call forth Prem Motors IDC Sector 16 Gurugram. They bag the next showroom award.
मेरी मम्मी की बलिनो भी प्रेम मोटर्स जाती है सर्विस के लिए. इनफैक्ट यू नो आई ट्राइड मल्टीपल मारुति सर्विस स्टेशन मल्टीपल. तो प्रेम मोटर्स पे जाके अब मैं थोड़ा कंसिस्टेंट हो गया. उस पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको अवार्ड मिल जाएगा. मैंने वहाँ भी उनका बहुत बैंड बजाया था किसी एक इशू पे. बट द वे दे रिस्पॉन्डेड, यू नो प्रॉब्लम आती है पर जिस तरह उन्होंने रिस्पॉन्स दिया ना वहाँ पे. आई थिंक सुनील जी एक हैं, सुनील शर्मा जी, वो मतलब उससे पता चल जाता है. वो कहते हैं गुस्सा सबको आता है पर उसको आप कैसे टैकल करते हो वो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. कुछ आप अगर शेयर करना चाहें व्हाट डिफरेंट यू डू या क्या ऐसा अलग करते हैं अगर आप हमें प्रेम से बताना चाहें.
थैंक यू सो मच. सबसे पहले तो शुक्रिया आप सभी का. आपने ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया और रिकग्निशन हमें मिला. और सिर्फ एक ही फंडा होता है कि कस्टमर रिस्पांस ढूंढता है और हमें प्रॉम्प्टली रिस्पांस करना होता है. अगर हम कर पा रहे हैं तो आधा प्रॉब्लम वहीं सॉल्व हो जाता है. डिले हो सकता है बट रिस्पांस क्विकली होना चाहिए, प्रॉम्प्टली. बस ये मोटो होना चाहिए. आजकल के टाइम में जितना स्पीडली हम प्रॉम्प्टली आंसर करेंगे उतना ही कस्टमर सेटिस्फाइड है. स्पेशली इस एरा में जो अभी हम चल रहे हैं डिजिटल, फास्ट स्पीड ही सब कुछ मैटर करता है. बाकी हम अपने एफर्ट करते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
इस पे बस मैं एक पॉइंट बोलना चाहूँगा. जैसे ना कई बार व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बन जाता है कस्टमर के साथ सर्विसिंग के टाइम, तो जो पुराना व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है ना वो बंद नहीं होता. तो जब कस्टमर फिर से गाड़ी सर्विस के लिए भेजता है तो वो पुराना व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप को चेक करता नहीं सर्विस स्टेशन में. उसको लगता है कस्टमर को उसने तो अपना ड्यूटी कर ली. तो या तो वो ग्रुप बंद हो जाए या वो ग्रुप में कोई उसमें वही आपका वाला पॉइंट प्रॉम्प्ट रिस्पॉन्स दे. वरना डिजिटल ना एकदम धीरे हो जाता है, वो इसको केंचू की चाल हो जाती है. तो डिजिटल फास्ट रहे, थोड़ा सा हमें एक स्ट्रीमलाइन करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और ये मैं आपके लिए नहीं कर रहा, मैंने बहुत सी डीलरशिप्स में देखा है कि व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप तो बन गया पर वो फिर या तो बंद नहीं हुआ या यूज़ नहीं हुआ. यू नो, ऑल द बेस्ट.
Big cheers right here, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for Prem Motors once again. Next, I would like to call people from Dhingra Motors, Batkal Chowk, Faridabad. Can we have them here quickly?
Yes, so can we have an applause
Okay,
for
we have them here.
Mr. Dhingra?
Time to cheer. The stars are here, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for Dhingra Motors. If you don't clap, I don't smile and I don't talk. Can we have a louder round of cheers for all of them, ladies and gentlemen? Put your hands together for the star here. Next, we have Dhingra Motors, MG Road, Gurugram.
Dhingra साहब, अरे सर,
Another one. Oh my God.
इतने अच्छे काम
He's a happy man. He's too happy to bag just one, but we are more than generous to give him two.
तो वो सारे पकड़ते हैं ना, मजा उसका है. All four of them. नहीं एक मैं
Lovely.
ऐसे like this. Perfect.
Being rewarded for the correct reasons. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. This is your fraternity. If you love cars, show more love, please.
सो ढींगरा साहब, मतलब चक्कर क्या है? मतलब एक आउटलेट, दो आउटलेट, चार चार सर्टिफिकेट आप लेके जा रहे हो। मतलब सीक्रेट सॉस क्या है कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन की, जो कस्टमर आपको इतना प्यार दे रहे हैं?
First of all, thank you so much for giving me this invitation to be here, and really glad I could come here to get these awards. Customer का जैसे आपने बोला, you know, we as a dealer always focus on the customers, doing the right for the customers at the very first attempt. तो कोशिश ये रहती है कस्टमर को अच्छी से अच्छी सर्विस दें, उसको जितना डिलाइटफुल फील करा सकें. सो एवरीबडी इन द डीलरशिप इज मेड श्योर दैट वी हैव टू वर्क as per customer understanding. So together we make it a success story. It is in the blood of Dhingra group of people that we are working in the company to do it right at the first time. So that what makes this successful with the delight.
तो बेसिकली आपने जो FRFT बोला ना, वो हमने IVAS में आज कवर किया था पैनल 1 में ही, फिक्स्ड राइट फर्स्ट टाइम. तो फ्रेंड्स, जो हम यहाँ से अच्छी अच्छी बातें करते हैं, वो अगर जो लोग उसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर देते हैं, उनके हाथ भर जाते हैं. और ये हमने अवार्ड नहीं दिया, ये कस्टमर ने दिया है. एज सिंपल एज दैट. तो मुझे क्या लग रहा है कि जब कस्टमर गाड़ी की सर्विस करा के आता है और उसका मालिक पूछता होगा ड्राइवर से क्या किया, तो कहता होगा ढींगरा किया.
No. In fact, I would like to thank our customers also for their trust, reviews, and ratings. It really means a lot. There is a lot of improvement in every dealership. So, on the basis of their reviews, we take it forward. We do a lot of improvements. It's a group. We believe in learning every day. So, you know, that is something that makes us successful. Thank you.
Wow. So, I'm wishing you all the very best for more and more success. Let it be ढींगरा किया all over the town. Thank you. Thank you.
Next, I would like to call people from ZX Sector 62, Gurugram.
Yes, absolutely. Mr. Atishay Jain, the dealer principal, is right here. IIT IIM का जब दिमाग लग जाता है डीलरशिप बिजनेस पे, तो वहाँ तो अवार्ड्स तो लाजमी है. तो फ्रेंड्स, आतिशे इज IIT IIM, IIT Delhi and IIM Bangalore. So you can see he's applying all his mind, all his grey cells to his dealership business. So a few words from your side, Atishe.
No, thank you so much for this. I think it takes a lot of courage to build something which is parallel to Google, but specially focused to auto. And it's so nice to see so many customers virally coming to this platform and marking and rating their experience with their showrooms. Like Anuj ji mentioned, this is a testimony directly by the customer. So testimony to how our team is focused always on the customers, and it doesn't take much. Like a small good practice that we generally do in our showrooms. हमने हर सेल्स वाले को 500 रुपए का पर डिलीवरी डिस्क्रिशनरी बजट दिया हुआ है, उसको जो करना है वो करे. He just has to tell us this is what needs to be done. So the kind of detailing that they do, कोई किसी कस्टमर को एक चार्जिंग वायर दे देता है, कस्टमर उसी में खुश हो जाता है. 15 लाख की गाड़ी एक तरफ और वो 350 रुपए की वायर जब फ्री में मिलती है, उसका एक्सपीरियंस एक अलग होता है. सो दी स्मॉल लिटिल डिटेल्स दैट वी गो इनटू, इसी की वजह से शायद ये हमें अवार्ड मिला है. थैंक यू कार PhD टीम फॉर दिस.
And thank you to that 350 रुपए की चार्जिंग केबल. So thank you so much.
Next, I would like to call people from, and they are from Rana Motors. Can we have them here quickly on stage, please?
डबल अचीवमेंट बहुत कम डीलरशिप्स की होती है कार पीएचडी में. अगर एक से ज़्यादा आपको मिल गया तो सही में आप कुछ अलग, कुछ नया, कुछ बढ़िया कर रहे हैं. तो सीक्रेट सॉस क्या है? मुझे पता लग गया, स्टेज पे भी मैं कस्टमर का फ़ोन उठा के रहूँगा. इज़ दैट सो? व्हाट इज़ स्पेशल डिफरेंट दैट यू आर डूइंग?
This is not a difference what we are doing, but I guess everything is digital right now. We have platforms for inquiries also. We have platforms from Maruti and also for for generating inquiries. Whereas the inquiries they come to the portal. So we just have to be very much upgraded along with the market scenario, what it is going right now, and we just have to just move shoulder to shoulder along with the OEMs so that we are able to justify the work and just convert the leads. That's what I can say. Thank you so much.
नरूला साहब, आप बहुत खुश हो रहे होगे सुन के कि जो मारुति बोलेगा हम करेंगे. मतलब OEMs की बात सुनने में देखो, मतलब 4-4 सर्टिफिकेट हाथ में मिल जाते हैं, मतलब बात ही अलग है. So, you want to add something? Okay, so congratulations and all the best.
We have some service center winners here. And the first one to bag the award is Galaxy Toyota GT Karnal Road, New Delhi. Representatives from AHA, we have him here already. Many congratulations.
Your dreams have now been fulfilled. Get out your seats.
Hands up, ladies and gentlemen. This deserves a louder round of applause.
So Galaxy Toyota is like a galaxy of stars when it comes to Toyota, one of the largest Toyota dealers in the country. So how do you manage to retain high customer satisfaction as told by customers despite being so big? What is the secret or some nuggets on that?
So, first of all, thank you so much for this award. I am here to collect on behalf of my team who really put throughout means entire journey is from their side as well, and from my management, right? So as our owner, Mr. Harpreet Sachdeva, is from his side also there is clear one communication that one smile can bring thousands together, right? Yeah, so this is all from their side, and our focus is all onto this, that we need to bring all the smiles all together.
Lovely. The man with the endearing smile talks about smiles here. Very, very good. Lovely. Thank you so much, and many congratulations to the entire team of Galaxy Toyota.
One point I like to add. जैसे our dear friend, he referred to his dealer principal, Mr. Harpreet Sachdev, and he did not just refer to him as a formality protocol कि इनके नेतृत्व में under leadership. He quoted a line from him that one smile can set 1,000 things right. So the point is that it's the leader who sets the culture and that culture percolates. और अगर यहाँ पे awards की ceremony में भी वो अपने leader की एक बात बोल रहे हैं, which they try to follow day in and day out, that talks very highly about the leader also.
Absolutely.
So congratulations.
Yes. Next, please put your hands together for Pasco Automobiles, Divider Road, Gurugram, as the next winner for Service Center. Many congratulations and welcome back, sir. Missed your cardio. You can do it right sitting here. Clap, all of you. Your smartwatches are watching you. I'm telling you, your smartwatches are keeping an eye, a tight one on you. Put your hands together to welcome him, and this is your family. Many congratulations, sir.
मदन लाल जी, क्या चक्कर है? शोरूम में भी आप छाए हुए हो, सर्विस सेंटर में भी आप छाए हुए हो, चक्कर क्या है? अब इसका क्या सीक्रेट है?
Sir, you took the feedback through our customers, and finally we are here. This is the exactly, and since you must say, when Maruti started their top band, we are always achiever of top band through our customers and our teamwork with our owners, directly and indirectly, in both ways, motivated to dream all the times. Thank you.
Whoa.
Thank you. Congratulations once again.
Next we have Deep Hyundai, Mundka Road, New Delhi. Can we have someone from there?
Absolutely.
We
So-
have, yes.
So a
Many
loud,
congratulations.
a loud round of applause for Pradeep ji and team.
Big moment, bigger applause. Where is it?
So दोस्तों, वैसे तो they have multiple service station they have got for Mundka. So you know, मेरे पास प्रदीप जी को कौन नहीं जानता, इंडस्ट्री के दिग्गज हैं. प्रदीप जी का नंबर नहीं था मेरे पास, तो मैंने Hyundai फ़ोन लगाया कि प्रदीप जी का नंबर दे दो. तो उन्होंने नंबर दे दिया. तो उन्होंने पूछा क्यों चाहिए, मैंने बताया. कह रहे हो हाँ 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 उनको तो मिलना ही था. मैं कहा ऐसा क्यों कह रहे हो. कहते हैं उनको तो हमारे इतने अवार्ड मिले हैं, Hyundai के नेशनल अवार्ड हमारा मिला है, इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड हमारा मिला है. और अब देखिए कस्टमर की रेटिंग का भी अवार्ड इन्हीं को मिला है. और फिर मुझे एक इनके फेलो डीलर ने बताया कि वो टेक्निकली कहीं अगर फंस जाते हैं तो वो प्रदीप जी को फ़ोन करते हैं. तो प्रदीप जी चाहे डीलर ओनर हैं, डीपीज इतना टेक्निकल नहीं होते हैं, पर ही लाइक अ टेक्निकल हेल्पलाइन टू मेनी अदर डीलर्स. सो प्रदीप जी इतना आप कैसे मैनेज कर लेते हैं सर?
Actually, though, I'm a mechanical engineer and I specialize in automobiles. So I'm in this business from about 47 years now.
47.
So I started the first mass in India. Then actually, I personally involve myself into this thing. I have done all the trainings and I generally go abroad and do all the trainings and then I help my people to, and my staff, you'll be surprised, is as old as about 30 years with me. All the senior staff, technicians and everything. So all people are we just work as a family. There's nothing as he's the boss and everybody calls me Bhai Sahab in the workshop and I'm approachable to everybody in that sense.
दोस्तों कभी देखा है 1 मिनट में ऐसी मास्टर क्लास मिल जाए लीडरशिप में? असंभव होता है, बट इट इज संभव at Car PhD. So fantastic, Pradeep ji. Congratulations once again from our side. Truly deserved and truly well earned. Thank you.
Many congratulations. But for nearly 5 decades of experience, I believe this man and Deep Hyundai Mundka deserves a loud round of cheers, ladies and gentlemen. Many congratulations. And Hans Hyundai Narayana, New Delhi, is the one to bag the next award. Put your hands together for them again. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Any two, 2 शब्द या ज़्यादा भी आप बोल सकते हैं. Over to you.
Thank you everyone. हेलो, थैंक यू एवरीवन. मेरा नाम बंसल है. मैं हंस हुंडई नारायणा में एज ए सर्विस जीएम देखता हूँ. ये जो भी अवार्ड आज मिला है, ये मेरा स्टाफ जो सपोर्ट करता है, जो कस्टमर को प्रॉपरली रिस्पॉन्स देना, ठीक है. मेरे खुद ओनर जो हरप्रीत सर हैं, उनका प्रॉपर जो हमारी डीलरशिप हैं, कई सारी ब्रांच हैं, उनको प्रॉपर मेंटेन करना, उनका प्रॉपर जो भी कहीं ट्रबल कोड आता है उसको रिजोल्व टाइमली कर देना, ये सारी चीज़ें उससे आती हैं. और सबसे मेन है जो हुंडई का एसओपी है, उस पर हमारी टीम का वर्क करना, उसके बाद ही ये अवार्ड हमें मिलते हैं. तो मैं हर एक से यही रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि वो भी सेम जो भी ब्रांड के एसओपी हैं उन पर अगर वर्क करेंगे तो ये सेम अवार्ड हर एक को मिलते रहेंगे. थैंक यू.
Fantastic. Truly well deserved, Mr. Bansal. So Mr. Bansal is the service GM at Hans Hyundai Narayana Hyundai. Oh, हम तो देसी आदमी, हम तो Hyundai बोलेंगे. Okay, Hyundai.
So next, we have the next set of awards for the car winners.
We're going to quickly do the awards for the 10 car brands. Couple of people could not make it because they were outstationed or they were traveling. or too much pollution in NCR Delhi. So whoever are here, we will felicitate them immediately. So can we have the next set of people here to felicitate? Rajesh and Dimple Bhai, if you can please come to do the honors.
Welcome back. Two dapper men on the stage with the swag. Put your hands together to welcome back, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
Okay, so to begin with, the first one to bag this award is
Skoda, yeah, Team Skoda. Skoda
Yes.
is here. Fantastic.
We have people from Skoda.
Words, sir, from your side.
So I think you all must drive Cadillac and the Superbs because these are the wonderful cars. And with Cadillac in place, we are the most relevant player in this mass segment. So I wish every one of you go back and please drive Cadillac once. Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations once again.
One more thing.
Yeah.
Thanks for bestowing this award.
Thanks. Anytime. You earned it. You don't need to thank for something which belongs to you, brother.
And here we have the next car for you all, which happens to be Morris Garages. Can we have reps from them? Aha.
So friends, incidentally, so Nikita, you have to say something, no? So Rajesh and Dimple both have worked with MG, and Nikita, you worked in their teams. So this cannot just be a mere coincidence. You're being awarded by them. So
thank you, Anuj, and thank you to our customers. Both of these cars have been accepted very well. Windsor, as a mass car, and Cyberstar, I must urge all of you to go and at least test drive once. I mean, I have driven it and it's a different experience altogether. So thank you.
thank you.
Many congratulations, Nikita. Now it's time to get the next
Okay, Hyundai.
Hyundai.
Anybody? Okay, team is
Yes,
here.
we have two pretty ladies.
So friends, look at the irony and cannot be a coincidence. Rajesh and Dimple both have worked with MG and they both worked with Hyundai as well. Just imagine. So girls, any words from your side?
We're really happy and excited to be receiving this award on behalf of Hyundai India. Thank you so much to the fraternity, to the customers for choosing us as a top brand. Thanks a ton. Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations once again.
Simple and sweet. Put your hands together yet again.
Okay, so that's it. So thank you so much, Dimple. Thank you so much, Rajesh. So friends, that was about the Car PhD Awards. So all of the winners have already got QR codes. That is the dealerships. You can feel free to put it up in your customer lounges, at your reception, at your bill payment windows. If you want more copies, we can help you with that. That can help you capture the ratings, reviews in real time. What we observed, that the Car PhD ratings are higher in many cases than your Google ratings. All right, so it's a thing to ponder upon. A lot of times, other platforms might not be getting the genuine ratings. Your car PhD page has a higher rating. Think about that. So try to harness it, use it to win customers' confidence, and make more sale, make more business, make more customers. All right.